Hi all, I wanted to take some time here just to go over how you can see how well you're doing in your online health class. In particular, we made a couple changes here to make it easier for you to understand where your grade is at. So I'm logged in as a student. I was actually one of you students here in this class. And if you go here, you'll see underneath your settings your grades button. And if you click on grades, you'll get something called the overview report or user report. It automatically goes to the user report right here, and it will show you how you've done for the week. So week 1 grades right here, you can see we're from June 13th through the 19th, and you can see you got 100. This particular student got 129 points out of 180. So 129 divided by 180 equals a roughly 72%. And you can go down here and see exactly what grade you got for everything. Now, to make a little note here, for example, this discussion stress right here is showing a 0, so it's getting calculated at a 0 and bringing the points down. That could be because either this student didn't do the discussion, or perhaps it got missed in the grading, in which case you're going to want to send your teacher, your instructor, an email saying, hey, I did this. Can you please go back and verify that I actually participated in these discussions or did whatever assignment like this, decide and model the emotion scenario, etc. So again, this is a good thing to go through and check on a fairly weekly basis, to see, hey, how did I do with week 1? I got this many points out of this many points. At the very top, it's keeping track of how many points you got in the total course. By the end of the course, if you were to get an A, you would get 1,630 points. You don't want to really freak out about this number right away because, again, remember, there's just a whole bunch of assignments that you haven't completed yet, thus the percentage being low at 17.10%. So take this with a grain of salt. However, take your category totals as an indication of how well you're doing in the course. So I can see right here, I got a 71 my first week, 52 the second week, etc. So you can kind of keep an idea of how well you're doing throughout the course.